Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with credentials and server details. If you skipped MX checks, do that now so mail routes correctly. Once ready, open Gmail, go to Settings, Accounts and Import, and click Add a Mail Account. Enter your full Hostinger address when prompted. This first step tells Gmail you want to fetch and send from that address. Make sure you use a map over SSL if available, because it keeps folders synced across devices and prevents lost messages. Now you configure how Gmail accesses your Hostinger mail. Choose a map for full folder sync. If Gmail asks POP, switch to manual IMAP settings in Hostinger Docs. Enter the IMAP server and port 993 with SSL, then set SMTP to port 465 with SSL or 587 with Startles. Use your full email as username and your normal password or an app-specific password if you have two-step enabled. Once done, Gmail verifies and may send a confirmation code. Enter it to prove ownership. Finish by selecting whether replies come from Gmail or your Hostinger address and set the default send as if you prefer. Send test messages to confirm inbound and outbound flow, then check folders to ensure IMAP sync works. If mail doesn't arrive, wait for DNS propagation and recheck MX records in Hostinger. If sending fails, make sure ports, SSL type, and credentials are exact. If you use two-step auth, create an app password.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.